Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue lesson 12, which is related to exponent and powers. In this exercise 12.2, we are going to study how to write very large and very small number in exponential form or in a standard form or in a scientific notation. When you want to write any very large number or very small number in exponential form, that is called standard form, and that is also known as scientific notation. That standard form is m into 10 to power n. This is standard form of scientific notation or standard form, where m is a decimal number which lies between 1 to 10 and n is any integer that is positive or negative. In the sense of very large number, n is positive, and in the sense of very small number, n is negative. Okay? 1 is less than or equal to m is less than 10. Means m always lies between m decimal number. Decimal number always lies between 1 and 10. And n is an integer. In the case of very large number, n is positive, and in the case of very small number, n is negative. Clear? Like, I have an example. I want to write 5 lakhs in standard form. How can I write it? First of all, you write this value between 1 and 10. Just you shift decimal place at that place. That's make the value between 1 and 10. Means you want to shift the decimal place from this place. Here is not decimal place, so this is after ones place. Means here is ones place and decimal place is here. You want to shift this decimal place to make the decimal number lie between 1 and 10. You shift this decimal place. How many digits? In the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Means you want to write this in 5.0000. Then for this purpose, you write 10 to power. How many digits you shift the decimal place? That is the value of n. Means you shift the decimal place here 5 digits. Then you write here n is 5. Means 5 into 10 to power 5. This is the standard form of this value, 5 lakhs. 5 into 10 to power 5. Like this, you want to write very small number like 0.000005. This is very small number. I want to write in a standard form. Then first of all, you count how many places you shift this decimal to make this number lie between 1 and 10. For this purpose, you shift this decimal place. How many digits? How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this will become 5. Means you shift this decimal place 7 digit right. Then this will become 5.0 into 10 to power minus 7. The number of digits shifted, decimal place is 7, therefore this value is n is minus 7. When you shift decimal place in right, that's value is n is negative. When you shift decimal place in left, that's value n is positive. Here this is the standard form of 0.000005, means that is equal to 5 into 10 to power minus 7. This is the standard form of this value. Like this, I want to solve exercise 12.2. Question number 1. First, write this number in standard form. It is your question. Question number 1 is express the following numbers in standard form. First of all, you watch the number. How can you make this number lie between decimal number lie between 1 and 10? For this purpose, you shift decimal place. How many digits write to make this number lie between 1 to 10? You count how many digits you shift this decimal number to make this number 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you shift decimal place here, you get this number is lie between 1 and 10. This means you write down 8.5. How many digits you shift this decimal? 3, 36, 39, to 11 and 12. This means you write 10 to power 12. And since this is shifted in right side, this means this power sign is negative. When you shift decimal place in right, then that's n is negative. When you shift the decimal place in left, that's n is positive. Means it is your standard form of this number. Like this, you write this. How many digits you shift this decimal place to right to make this number lie between this decimal number lie between 1 to 10? For this purpose, you count digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you shift this decimal here, you get 9.42. That is lie between 1 and 10. This means you write 9.42 into 10 to power minus 12. Means how many digits you shift the decimal place, that is the value of n. If you shift the decimal place in right, that value is negative, and when you shift the decimal place in left, that value is positive. This is your standard form of this and this. Okay. So number first, fifth part is you write this whole number in standard form or scientific notation. First of all, you count how many digits, how many places you shift decimal to left to become this number lie between 1 and 10. For this purpose, you count here is decimal place. If any number has no any decimal place, this means that is situated right hand of the ones place, means here. Then you count how many digits you shift this decimal place to make this decimal number lie between 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits means 3.186 into 10 to power 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digit you shift the decimal, therefore here is 10 and that is positive. Clear? Number 2 is express the following number in usual form. Express the following number in usual form. Means you write this number without exponent, without any power. Then first of all you convert negative exponent in a positive exponent, like you write 3.02 upon 10 to power 6. This means you divide this decimal number by how many? After means 6 zeros after 1. This means you write this 3.02 upon 1, 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This means when you divide this number by this number, you get the decimal place shifted in left. How many digits? 6 digits. You have 1 digit here. Then you write 0.000000302. This is usual form of this number. Like this, you write down this number also in usual form. Usual form means you write the number without exponent. Like this, you write down 4.5 into 10 to power 4 means 1 is followed by 4 zeros. This means when you multiply 4.5 into 10,000, you get the decimal place shifted right. How many digits? 4 digits. You have 1 digit. This means you write 45000. This is your answer. Number 2, third part is you write this number in usual form. First of all, you write this 3 upon 10 to power 8. Because here is negative exponent, you want to convert this in a positive exponent, then you write this is in numerator, this is written in the denominator, this becomes positive exponent. You divide 3 by 1 after 1 followed by 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This means when you divide 3 by this number, you get the decimal 8 digit left. Or you have only 1 digit. This means you write 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 3 here. This means this decimal is shifted to 8 digit left. This is the usual form of this number. You write this number also in a usual form. This means you write 3.6149282. 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you multiply this number by 1 followed by 6 0 means 10 lakhs. This decimal is shifted in the right 6 digit. You have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means 1 0 is here included. You get 3, 6, 1, 4, 9, 2 zeros. This decimal is shifted. How many digits? Right? 6 digits. You have 5 digits. 1 0 is here. You extend 1 0. Then you get 6 digits shifted. The decimal from here to here. This means the value of this expression is 3614920. It is your answer. Exercise 12.2 rest question you do yourself. Okay.